Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Okay, excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 52. Reading lesson 3. Remember that we were seeing about cat family and the dog family. Okay, we learned about these two families, and now we are going to learn about the human family. So please pay attention. Follow the lecture with your finger. Okay, here we go.
Suddenly, the squirrels rushed to Mr. Owl.
Hey, how about the human family? Can you teach us about the human family, Mr. Owl?
Mr. Owl looked a little sad and a bit confused. He had thought about the human family many times. What could he teach them about the human family? While the animals waited and watched Mr. Owl thinking, a sparrow flew in and landed on the back of a deer.
Can you tell us what humans know about animals?
Chirped the sparrow.
Okay,
Said Mr. Owl.
but I don't know very much. I must also tell you, I do not understand them very well.
Okay, excellent. We're going to check our understanding. Okay, what other family did the animals want to learn about? Yes, the human family. Excellent. Okay, did Mr. Owl know a lot about humans? No, he didn't understand them very well. Excellent. Continue reading. Page number 53, lesson 3. Okay.
Mr. Owl began saying,
Some humans protect animals and give them shelters or houses. They even give them food and water to help animals survive in some places. They act like they love and care a lot about animals. But
the owl hooted.
this is what I do not understand. The people are disturbing our homes and polluting the water and plants, which are both our food and theirs. There are even some humans who hunt and kill animals. I just do not understand.
Cried Mr. Owl. Then the deer spoke.
Some of my animal friends have died, and their families will never live again. This makes me sad. How can we all learn to live together?
Mr. Owl screeched loudly.
I know we can learn to live together like one big family, humans and animals.
Okay, excellent. It's a good lesson. Okay, check for understanding. Okay, what didn't Mr. Owl understand about humans? Okay, we're going to back. Okay, what he didn't understand is okay that some humans who hunt and kill animals. There are even some humans who hunt and kill animals. Okay. Number 2. Why was the deer sad? Okay. He was sad because some of his animal friends had died and their families will never live again. Okay, let me check the other. What did Mr. Owl say at the end? And I liked the end. Mr. Owl scratched loudly. I know we can learn to live together like one big family, humans and animals. Excellent, very good. Okay, look for the phrases there is and there are in the story and circle them. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.